Hi, welcome back to Scrap It Up. Welcome to the micro scrap garden. We're going to do a little micro scrapping, and then later on we hope to do some garbage picking to get more scrap. We've been trying to, hoard stuff, but we actually need the money, so I don't know. It's 4 cents a pound, which is $4 for 100 pounds, which isn't that much, but still, it's $4. So we're going to try to maximize our load here. So I got this lovely box with this wonderful, wonderful copper wire in it. So I want to get that out. I got this motor. This garage door opener, this part's aluminum, so if I can get all the steel parts out, that's a big piece of aluminum and a little motor in there. Got some copper and brass together. Maybe I can cut off some pieces of it and get number 1 copper tubing. And that's about it. Okay, we got all these beautiful little wires in there. I'm going to use this little stubby screwdriver. See if I can get them to come out easier. So we've had 3 days without rain, which has been wonderful. Actually 2 days. We had a fire 2 nights in a row, so we got some time to spend outside and pretend nature. All right, making some progress here. Oh, nice and free now. And we'll just pull them on out. Well, maybe not that easily. Seems like they come out easier this way. One. 2. And 3. All right. Beautiful pieces of copper that I'm going to strip and get those big chunks of copper out of there. All righty? All righty. See how we're doing here. Beautiful, beautiful copper. pretty good. Doing pretty good. Let's make a couple more incisions. I do like the wire better when it's a little bit warm. I've actually read about, sticking it in hot water or, boiling it to make the plastic easier to work with. But it's like I really don't want to be boiling this stuff in my house. Plastic, a little bit more. It would be helpful if I had the very sharpest blade on here, which I don't. I might change it out. Not yet. Not yet. There. Beautiful, beautiful piece of copper. Make a nice necklace, wouldn't it? There we go. Now I got 2 more to go. Okay, well this is the fruit of my endeavors. This is all going to be, hopefully, go as number one copper pipe. I got all the solder off and any sort of contaminants. I actually even used a wire brush to make sure that all the contaminants were gone. And this is going to be my dirty copper, my copper number 2, and this is mostly brass. So I haven't even got to this piece yet. Hopefully we'll get it apart before we go to the scrapyard tomorrow. But I'm gonna wait and see what we find tonight garbage picking. All right, are you guys ready for a sunny day scrap? I am. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so we better get out there, right? Leanne doesn't want to go, so I guess it's just you and me. I'll have to just not try to get the heavy stuff this time. So maybe I'll just get tons of copper and brass. See, I'm already eyeballing something. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Okay, I see a little something. This is actually a nice piece of metal. Let's see what else they got here. I think I'm just gonna take this whole bin. Leanne's trying to sort through it. It's like a lot of purses. Purses. But I'm on the board. Speaking about prairies, I always wanted to show you guys this yard over here. Because no one's cutting it. Alright, kids, let's get some scrap. This is another one I can't get down. There we go. pieces. But it's metal. Little more metal. This might actually be something you might want to keep. Pretty cool. All right. Alright, we did okay at this stop, huh? Not too shabby at all. Didn't want to take that church or the plug in case somebody wanted it. Not looking forward to the rain that we're getting tomorrow, but I'm just gonna enjoy the day. Another hoop dilemma. Let's see if we could find anything nice and lightweight. Oh, that looks pretty. This looks like some kind of a skeleton. I'll take the bottom part with the feet on it. Oops. Oh, I know Leanne would want these. I'm taking this whole fixture. I really like this. So much stuff that I find I really like. I don't even know if that did anything good or not. All right. Yeah, those don't smell too good, so. All right. Can I have this chair? Thank you.
Oh, you got a toolbox too, huh?
Oh, are you scrapping this already?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know
No,
that.
that's why you can have the chair. I can't fit it in.
Yeah, I would have rather had the toolbox, but I didn't know he was already scrapping it. That guy's not even a scrapper, he just wanted a lawnmower, which is cool, but I kind of wanted the toolbox. Oh well. He was there first, but he just didn't look like a scrapper in his brand new car trying to fit a lawnmower in it. But they come in all shapes and sizes, I guess. So I have to say that with the scrap prices being so low, I've taken to stripping copper, which I never really have done before. And I've liked it. I found it to be very meditative, kind of like whittling. And it's so pretty, especially when it's the bright copper that comes out. The brightest of the bright. Well, it almost always does when it comes out of the sheath, but it's pretty cool. It's not something I was really ever interested in before, but if it maximizes my load, who knows, this might be something new. This might be something that I do all the time. But you never know. Sometimes you change direction, try new things. It's a good idea, right? Right. I really wish that I could scrap in the mornings. Waiting for this guy to move, to pass me up. I'm gonna get this little piece of scrap right over here. Oh, nice. Nice piece of aluminum, too. Oh, generous. Awesome. Oops. So dangerous. I'm just getting scrap.
Yeah.
Hi, little one. Thanks. I thought I spied some metal. Let's get this part. One more piece. We're getting a little load, a leisurely load. What did I do with the, sometimes when I'm scrapping and someone stops and talks to me while I'm filming, it totally throws me off my game. I know it's probably because I have this, camera strapped to my head, so it's kind of weird to begin with. And no one ever really talks to me or asks me what that thing is. Very few times. But I guess I'll get better at it as time goes on. I won't get thrown off. Like I couldn't find my snips after that scene, and I had to go through it, and here I had thrown them in the back. So, but at least I didn't lose them on the scene, which I have before also. Alright, I had to park kind of far away. I definitely want this. right. Well, I don't know why I can't ever get these undone. Maybe this one will come undone. Alright, I think it's gonna fit. All right. Well, I ripped a hole in the ceiling, but maybe no one will notice. No more. A nice piece of metal. Huh. I don't know what that is. That's really stuck in there. I'm sure Leanne will love these scary dolls. One more stop. I know Leanne likes these too, so I'll get them for her. More copper, I may strip it. Look at our dolls we got.
I think these two might have to stay because I really like all of them. But
Here's the other two.
But I really want this. There doesn't look like there's a thing wrong with them either.
These come with their own stands.
Broken on them. This one has a little dirt on her chin. But I bet that'll clean up. She's really pretty. Aren't they beautiful? I really love those two. They're all really cute.
All right, this is my little load. I don't know.
Anybody who had these would have to know they're worth something, right?
Yep.
So why would they put them in the garbage?
I don't know. Maybe they belonged to someone that they didn't like. So I got a little something, something. Oh, thanks for riding along with me. I know I'm really dirty. See ya. But they come in all shapes and sizes, I guess.